guys hear me? What is this sock market? Can you guys hear me? Am I audible enough? आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? Oh, no, because I'm connected to this and Mama and Baba are taking a nap next to me, so I don't want to be very loud. And my hair is acting up today because I decided just a 1 hour flight to Croatia. I don't need to do my hair. Chintu says hi. Hey. So I am at Brussels airport. I actually took off from Geneva. It was a 1 hour flight to Brussels, and then यहाँ पे 1 घंटे का layover था, और फिर I had a flight from Brussels to Zagreb, which is in Croatia. लेकिन हमारी जो Geneva to Brussels की flight थी वो डिले हो गई, जिस चक्कर में Brussels to Geneva हमसे छूट गई, and then they put us on a flight which is after 6 hours. Well, not 6 hours now because we're halfway there. It's 5 o'clock here, so 3 hours. It's at 8:25. I am good. Thank you so much for 500k followers on Instagram, guys. I'm so flattered, and I woke up to 500k. It's so crazy. 500,000 on Instagram. It's not that many. My Europe trip is going very, very well. I think this is the first time me, Mama and Baba are taking a trip all by ourselves, because we don't do that. We always travel in a group. But I think this is the first time it's just us. Who's my favorite Big Boss contestant? I've never watched Big Boss. I never. Thanks, Kavya. Hi, Kajol. Thank you. Oh, they are right next to me. Mama and Baba was taking a nap because we ate quite a lot, and then they're taking a nap. I was watching YouTube for a while. When am I coming back? Namaste, baby. Mama and Baba are flying back on the 5th, but I am flying from Croatia. So we're going to Zagreb. We're spending, we were supposed to be in Zagreb all day today and all day tomorrow. Right now I was supposed to be seeing the city, but I'm stuck in Zagreb. So we're going to go to Zagreb all day tomorrow. We're going to spend there, and then after tomorrow morning we're going to fly to Dubrovnik and spend 2 days in Dubrovnik. And on the 5th, Mama and Baba are going to go to Mumbai, and I'm going to fly to London because you guys know I got selected for as a Creators for Change ambassador. So the social impact camp for that, the orientation camp, is happening in London for 3 days, from the 5th to the 8th. No, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th night I'm coming back. I'll be in Mumbai on the 9th of 8th. Night of 8th. Night of 8th. Mostly sane with 2 eyes. Check out my feed. There's something special for you. I'll do that. I'll check your feed out. Hi, P for Pradipta. What are you guys up to? Is it raining in Mumbai? Is anyone... Can't hear you? You guys can't hear me? Barkha Jain says can't hear you. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? I'm waiting for yes or no. No, you can't hear me. Okay, wait. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No. Yes or no? Karmraj Sisodia says, roaming with our money, huh? Hi I don't remember stealing from you, man. कुछ लोग कुछ अलग ही फ्रीक्वेंसी पे वाइब कर रहे हो, मतलब सब दुनिया से हटके कुछ अलग ही चल रहा होता है उनके दिमाग में. साला दुनिया घूम रही है हमारे पैसों को लेके. चेन्नई कब आओगी पता नहीं यार, अभी फ़िलहाल क्या प्लान है, कैसा है देखते हैं. अभी कुछ करने को नहीं था. आई वॉज वॉचिंग यूट्यूब. माई लैपटॉप डाइड एंड सो आई एम चिलिंग इन दिस लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ sofa which is so comfortable and there's no switch here, there's a switch somewhere there. तो मेरा भी मन नहीं है यहाँ से उठ के वहाँ जाने का, so that's why I'm just chilling. Oh, did you guys see? Oh, Nikita, hi. Did you guys see Indian Parents and Technology? Huh? 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 Did you see it? Man, I think it's my favorite. It's my favorite video on the channel so far. I don't think anything else has made me as happy as that video made me. Did you guys like that video? Nice. Then okay, fun fact, that okay Google part which is in the video is true. Everything in that video is true actually. जब मेरा गूगल असिस्टेंट आया था घर पे, तो for the longest time Baba was trying to figure out, like, of course I have sort of like overacted there and exaggerated a little bit, लेकिन that was the gist of it. That is what Baba was like. Baba was having proper conversation with Google कि अरे क्या हो गया, बात करो ना मेरे से. It's true. That's when the idea struck. It's my favorite part in the whole video. While filming it, we were dying. We couldn't film it. Being season Dahal, don't you have any plans to visit Nepal? Yes, I do, but I don't want to visit now in the summers. I want to visit there in the winter so I can enjoy the winters and I can enjoy great food, great street food. But your Baba is very cute. Jain Barkha. But your Baba is very cute.
Cute Barkhi actually online.
Please visit Lucknow. टुंडे कबाबी का प्लान क्या टुंडे कबाबी के प्लान का क्या हुआ? लखनऊ
सौम्या सर नहीं.
हाँ,
this must be Soumya.
I don't know. Are you Soumya? Mama knows you're Soumya. Tushar Karan! Oh, mate. Oh, fun fact. Like yesterday on our tour, Tushu, this is for you. You want to listen to this. Tushar, by the way, let me just give you some context, is one of my best friends. We went to college together and now he's in Brisbane. He's studying there and he's working there. So yesterday we'd gone to this little town in मतलब Geneva से हमने एक डे टूर लिया था. We'd gone to Chamonix और वहाँ पे when you go the village Chamonix and we went to Mont Blanc, that is in France. So it's like a 1 hour drive from Geneva to Chamonix. And वहाँ पे जाके we took the cable car, we went to the top and we were sitting and chilling there. There was this Indian couple right next to us, right? And तो मम्मा और बाबा ने बातें वगैरह शुरू की, तो पता चला they are from Australia. So they're Indian, but they've been living in Australia for 27 years now. And I told them that, oh, where in Australia? And they were like, Brisbane. And I was like, wow, I have a friend who lives in Brisbane. And they were like, oh, what does he do? I was like, he's studying in the University of Queensland. And that the husband was actually a professor at University of Queensland, Tush. So he teaches mining in your university. so crazy, such a small world. And then we had these long conversations about like a few more things, and there were so many similarities. None of us have like ever heard of each other. Then suddenly we meet in on a mountain top and talk about things that are so similar. It was crazy. Why doesn't it sound so interesting now? It's so funny in my head. Oh my god, what happened? But it's not so interesting. I know, right? See, Tushar is reacting. Thank god. I know. His name is Sheshadri, I think. I don't know. He has a really long name. I don't know. But he teaches mining in the University of Queensland. So crazy. You must be getting bored now. I was actually watching you. You know what? I have spent so much time at airports lately that I kind of don't get so like I used to get bored a lot before. मतलब ऐसे होता था कि यार बहुत हो गया अब निकालो यहाँ से. लेकिन अभी मेरे को कुछ टाइम से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. मैं अपना काम में लग जाती हूँ और आई रीड या फिर मैं YouTube देख लेती हूँ तो I'm okay. Hi Saurav 1911. Work. Don't you have work to do? Don't you have something you should be doing right now? Like working? Rave.x. Okay, I have an actual confession and I have to let it out. Okay, go for it. When are you coming to YouTube Space? YouTube Space Mumbai or YouTube Space London? If it's London, then I'm going on the 5th. If it's Mumbai, then I don't know. Soon. Nikita, या फिर एयरपोर्ट में व्यूअर्स से मिलती. अरे यार, let me tell you about Nikita. So Nikita has been a viewer for a while. और मेरे ख्याल से 5-6 महीने पहले I did this follow spree on my Instagram where I followed a bunch of viewers. That's when I started following Nikita. She's Nepali. She lives in Brussels. Bruges, actually. Bruges. Bruges is beautiful. No, now she's in Newport. Or I don't know, Oscent, or I don't know, some place. But she lives in Belgium. And I met her. First of all, her Instagram is so much fun. I've been following it. And then I met her she came all the way to Brussels airport. I met her there. And she's so much fun. Like, she's happy, which makes me very, very happy. I love meeting people who look and feel like sunshine. She's sunshine. And she speaks so many languages. Another thing I really want to do. She speaks English, she speaks Hindi, she speaks Nepali, German, French and Dutch. Hell. Newport and Ostend. Yeah, Ostend. That's where she lives. But she has a little store not a little store, quite a big store. उस store में एक छोटा सा souvenir section है, which she told me about, at Newport. But she used to live in Bruges. Bruges, जो Belgium में है, जहाँ पे हम गए थे. I have also vlogged about it. When I put the Brussels vlog out, you'll know. Is literally out of a fairy tale. मतलब उस town में कुछ भी नया नहीं है. There are no malls, there are no skyscrapers. Everything has been the way it is for the past, I don't know, 10 centuries. क्योंकि 11th century के time से वहाँ पे buildings हैं and everything is there. So if there's a place I want to come back to, which if my plans go as per plans, then I might, I'll come back to Bruges. Nikita saying thank you so much. मेरा दिल धक धक कर रहा है. Mostly seen for life. You're sending me some handmade gifts. You really don't have to. Trust me, guys. You guys make me the most beautiful things, and then the post guys just F it up because they treat those packages so badly, and by the time those things reach me, they are broken and it breaks my heart. You have no idea how many mugs, photo frames, little crystal things have broken in the mail when they reach me, and it really breaks my heart. So that's why do not make me gifts, do not buy me gifts, just write me letters. That's all I want to read. That is so. At work, in office, there's a little cabinet that we've cleared up to keep everything that you guys write for me, and every now and then we sort of just go through those letters, and it's so beautiful and it lifts me up. So please don't send me anything, don't write डोंट मेक एनीथिंग, कोई कांच की चीज़ें या कुछ भी मत बनाओ, जस्ट राइट मी लेटर्स या और पोस्ट कार्ड्स. आई लव पोस्ट कार्ड्स. लेट्स डू दिस. If you want to send me something, and if you're not from Mumbai, you're from any other, or Maharashtra, you're from any other state, actually even if you're from Maharashtra or any other country, send me a postcard from your state or city. So that way I'll know where you're from. I'll get a beautiful picture of you, like you know those postcards, just Mumbai ke postcard pe there'll be the gateway of India, and then there'll be the Taj Hotel and the ceiling. वैसे तुम्हारे सिटी के भी पोस्ट कार्ड्स होते होंगे यार. मेरे को पोस्ट कार्ड्स भेजो ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स चीप, second of all it's beautiful. I can make a collection of such postcards, and then I can sort of like make a big frame and then frame it up to just show कहाँ से मुझे मिले हैं. There's a lot of things we can do, you know. I can do something like that. So send me postcards अपने स्टेट से, अपने रीजन से local postcards मुझे भेजो. So what do you think? Do you think this is a good idea? Yes, no, yes. Bolo. What do you think? This is a good idea? Oh, Prithvi Mani yaar. Kem cho? Good idea. Paulmi says good idea. Perfect. Yes, mostly Shameless says yes. I'm gonna go with you guys. Great, good idea. So now, do not make me gifts. Do not buy me things. Just send me postcards. Hi Vishank. Is Vishank here? Vishank, are you here? I don't see you. Are you here? Why can't I? The M Closet, babe. Do you guys follow the M Closet on Instagram? Why not? Follow the M Closet on Instagram. She's Meenal. She works with One Digital and she is so stylish. See, there are very little people जिनकी style देख के मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ, relatable. I can do this. This is something I can learn from. DIY. Most fashion people I follow on Instagram, I just drool at. I'm like, so pretty, but I can never do that. Meenal style is relatable. Meenal style you can learn from. Meenal you can get inspired from, and that is style that you can own, which is what makes her like 20 times better. Because एक टाइम तक ही आप किसी को देख के घूरोगे, उसके बाद लगेगा बट you gotta go to Meenal कि I want to wear that. So if you don't follow Meenal, please follow her on Instagram. It's @the_M_closet. So the Glide is here. Don't you have work to do? Like Saurabh does. Don't you have work to do? Madam, I am your Prince Adam. Sudeep. The.M Closet. Yep, that's it. So that day I was very low, okay? Something at work, I don't know. As Sudeep comes to me and he sings Chal, मैं तेरे को एक मस्त गाना सुनाता हूँ. And he opens this song where Govinda is singing Kathmandu, Kathmandu, oh Mundu, Mundu. And they're not even in Kathmandu. and then he keeps making these sounds like Tenu Virara. It's such a pointless song. Please go to YouTube and see Kathmandu, Kathmandu, oh Mundu, oh Mundu. Omundu doesn't even make sense. I asked Rishank if Omundu makes sense in Nepali. It doesn't. He just made that to rhyme. Rohit on web. हंसलो पहले. हाँ हंस रहे हैं. If you all don't know Rohit on web, what have you guys been doing? He's the man. I've missed one chance to meet you. Mostly, when did you miss? Ha 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 ha. तुम हंस लो पहले. Ha 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 ha. Ashu Mandwe says, "Hey Akido." Oh hi. Oh, Rohit on web is blush. Why is Rohit on web blushing? I wonder why. Girls, please show some love to Rohit on web. How bored are you? Oh, I'm very bored. On a scale of 1 to 10, I am 12. एक तो पहली बात तुम लोग मेरे को मैम क्यों बुलाते हो? मैं तुमको मैथ्स पढ़ाती हूँ. मैम एवरी टाइम आई मीट व्यूअर्स मैम एक सेल्फी में कहा मैम क्या होता है भैया? What time is the flight? क्यों are you bored? Am I boring you? क्यों उड़ाओ इसको यहाँ से बाहर पका रही है. Hi Shan, I love you too. Guys, Shanmu has arrived. Oh, how many times? 4 times he's written I love you. Hi Shan. Guys, do you follow Shanmu on Instagram? I am not the most hardworking girl. You are the most hardworking guy I know. He works so many hours in a day, so many days in a week, so many weeks in a year. He's always working, he's always traveling, and the best thing about Shan is no matter how happy, sad, tired or fresh he is, he's always happy. I love his energy. Every time you meet him, he's like, ah! Which is great, okay, for me, which is great. I love people like that. I hate meeting people जिनको मिलने के बाद लगता है कि but Shan you meet and you're like you made your name and I love your energy too. Thanks Shan. Guys, please subscribe to Shan's channel. He by the brain following you on Instagram. Have you guys seen Shan's Insta stories lately? Those edited little clips that you put, those really cinematic shots that you do. Who has been filming this man? It's amazing. Your Insta stories look so good. Please do Vande Mataram. That's in London. M Closet knows me. Meenal knows me. So Meenal and me are like super Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum fans. Like literally. लाइक अभी हो सकता है कि अभी मेरे को ये जल्दी रियलाइजेशन हो गया कि मैं तुमको ये बोलूँ और फिर तुम मुझे थोड़ा कम पसंद करो. बट एज लॉन्ग एज मीनल मुझे पसंद करती है आई एम गुड. सो क्या होता है every time me and Meenal are in office and we are bored, we randomly start having conversations like this. Okay, I'm going to be Meenal and I'm going to be Prajakta also. Okay, where I go and I'm like, oh my god, did you see what Kejo was wearing? And then Meenal's going to be like, which party? Dugu's party or the other party? And I'm like, no, Dug's party. Did you see what Kejo was wearing? She's like, yeah, like sometimes I feel like he takes it too far with the Louboutins. And I'm like, I know, right? Like I tried telling him, but you know Kejo. Yeah. Are you invited for Sonam's wedding? I am, but I'm traveling. Oh, me too. These are our conversations. For real. For real. And you know what the best part is? मुझे इसका कोई वो प्रस्तावना देने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. मैं बस शुरू हो जाती हूँ या फिर वो बस शुरू हो जाती है. Natasha, yeah. She talks to me as Natasha and I'm Sonia. It's crazy. तुमको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ना? If तुमको ये गेम पसंद नहीं आया तो मत खेलो. बट मैं तो बताऊँगी भैया, I'm very bored. आप दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी इंसान हो, वो तो है. So I've been told. नहीं यार, thank you. Seeing your travel, I feel like traveling also. Shan, aren't you traveling though? You haven't traveled in a really long time. और या तो या तो you've not put that on your Instagram. Please take Amma Kuti and go somewhere to travel. Missing Sonia. Oh, I will make Sonia videos. I promise. Big house, small house, Prajakta ma'am, powerhouse. तो आप बचपन से ही पोएट थे या अभी हुए हो? पेरिस का मौसम कैसा है? बहुत गर्मी है पेरिस में. दिखाऊं कितनी गर्मी है? You wanna see how much I have tanned? आई डिडंट इवन रियलाइज मैं अपना बस चेहरे पे सनस्क्रीन लगा के निकल जाती थी. मैंने कहा कौन सा टैन हो रही हूँ, यूरोप में आके सब गोरे होते हैं. ये हुआ है हमारे साथ यूरोप आके. म्हणजे someone else's arms fit on my.
हंसासारखं बोलली सतत. हाय हाय.
ये तो मैंने ट्राई किया ही नहीं था घर पे. आई प्रॉमिस यू ये दोनों आई क्या बोलते हैं पार्ट्स एक ही बॉडी के हैं.
घड्याळ कुठे ठेवलं?
Your new intro is amazing. Thank you. I'm glad you guys liked it. आंटी अंकल कहाँ है? ये रहे. आंटी अंकल यही है.
अंकल होगा घड्याळ.
Please make a video on how to deal with bullying, please. Okay, I can make a video on that. I'm actually working on a different project that deals with bullying. तो थोड़ी दिन अगर रुक जाओगे तो मज़ा ही आ जाएगा. Where are you going? I'm going to Croatia. I'm going to Zagreb. That's if a flight flies out of here. Your beauty. Full mom and dad. Tell your mom how cute she is. Ma Shan says you're cute. Thank you, Shan. When are you back? I'm coming back on the evening of the 8th of June. Shan, let's make another video, man. Do you guys want me and Shan to make another video? A lot of you guys have been asking me, wow, we love your makeup routine. I don't wear any makeup. Well, thank you. I'm flattered, but I don't wear any makeup. So, do you guys want me and Shan to do a makeup? Have you seen our collab, by the way? We did the blindfolded makeup challenge. Which was also a lot of fun. मैं अपना एक छोटा सा पोटला लेके पहुंची थी कि this is all the makeup I own, and Shan, literally not exaggerating, Shan got 2 suitcases of big suitcases of makeup. मतलब जिसमें मैं फिट रहूंगी इतने बड़े suitcases. Yeah, see everyone's saying okay fine. Shan, let's do a video. Let's make another video. It's been so long since I met you also. Let's do a video together. Now it's 3 suitcases worth of makeup. How do you travel? 3 suitcases में हम तीनों का सामान आ गया है. How do you travel with 3 suitcases only of makeup? If I was, let's do super soon, come back and we do it. Perfect. I'm coming back in June. Like, it's June right now. I'm coming back next week. है ना? Friday. Next Friday I'm coming back.
Today is a Friday.
Today's a Friday. Today's Friday.
So next Friday.
Next Friday I'm coming back. Aww. Thanks, Shan. You're too sweet, man. Am I boring you guys too much? I literally have no agenda on my head. मतलब मैंने ये live कुछ भी सोच के शुरू नहीं किया कि live करते. I don't have anything. On which airport am I stuck? I am stuck at Brussels airport. Bonjour, bonjour, ça va? Yes, we will meet. A lot of you guys are asking for a meet and greet. I promise I'll make a meet and greet happen. लेकिन again, कुछ properly करते हैं ना यार. Let's not. Okay, one second. Shan is saying, I'm going now to party. Like always, it's 9 p.m. in India. Going out now after work. See you soon. Bye, love. Bye, love. Achha. And have a blast. Love you. I love you too, Shan. Have a blast. You have a blast. I am stuck at the airport. You're going to the party. Have fun. So yeah, meet and greet. Bye, Shan. Bye. Meet and greet we'll do properly. Hello. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Meet and greet we'll do properly. थोड़ा अरेंज करके बड़े वेन्यू में करते हैं. पिछली बार थोड़ा कंजेस्टेड हो गया था. After Kalka video, rickshaw passengers video is my favorite. I also like the rickshaw passengers video personally a lot. I think it's hilarious. But Kalka yaar, Kalka is the winner. You didn't come to my birthday, but we have to party soon. I know I didn't come. So I was out with my family when Shan calls me saying, hey, I'm landing in 20 minutes. Reach my home for party. It's my birthday. And I was like, I wish I could, but I had a family thing. One of my best friends was moving to Canada, so we had a dinner. Hi, Gaurya. Nice. Am I a Potterhead? I used to be a Potterhead, like a massive Potterhead. I remember school में Scholastic के exhibitions लगते थे. जब 3-4 months की salary save कर के 120 rupees, salary नहीं, pocket money, 30 rupees per month pocket money मिलता था. और 3-4 months का pocket money save करके 120 rupees का एक हैरी पॉटर का ओरिजिनल स्टिकर बुक आया था जो मैंने खरीदा था. और फिर उसके स्टिकर निकाल के पूरे कमरे में चिपका. आई वॉज अ मैसिव फैन. आई रिमेंबर वंस गोइंग टू स्लीप क्राइंग बिकॉज आई थॉट आई कुडंट मैरी हैरी पॉटर. I don't cry anymore because anything can happen. I can marry Harry Potter. I've also been to Hogwarts. So yeah. Which country would you recommend to visit in Europe? I would highly recommend the Czech Republic. Please go see the Czech Republic. Loved Geneva. If you ever come to Switzerland, I feel like we did a very good choice. We made a very good choice by not going to Zurich क्योंकि हर कोई Zurich जाता है और इस time of the year इतनी भीड़ है हर जगह. So Geneva में हमें बिल्कुल भीड़ नहीं मिली कहीं पे भी because most people don't travel to Geneva, but it is so beautiful. So please travel to Geneva. Belgium, go to Belgium, go to Bruges. There's another little town called Ghent. ये ना मतलब if you are a fan of like medieval times, you know, old world feel, so please go to Bruges. Riddhi Aswani, please come to Udaipur. I will, I promise, I will soon. बैटरी करते हैं जब तक फोन बंद नहीं होता तब तक करते हैं बिकॉज आई एम टू लिटिल हाउ कंफर्टेबल आई एम राइट लाइक आई रियली डोंट वांट टू लीव एंड गो टू अ पावर आउटलेट. यार मैं शाम को ढूंढ रही थी कहीं दिखा नहीं. वसई के प्लान यार प्लीज करती हूँ यार. वसई तो यहीं पे है. करते हैं कुछ. हाँ तो पहली बार इंटरनेशनल. डिड यू हियर व्हाट आई सेड माय फोन माइट डाई ऑन मी राइट नाउ क्योंकि एक तो इंटरनेशनल रोमिंग चल रहा है जिसमें बैटरी और ही जाती है, ऊपर से वाईफाई, ऊपर से लाइव. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो. Chalo. I don't know. Sorry. I just zoned out. I was just reading and thinking about something. Sorry. Oh, that's how sleepy and bored I am. Chalo, I'm gonna go. I'll keep you guys updated. The time right now is it's 5:30. 2-2.5 घंटे में मेरे ख्याल से boarding शुरू हो जाएगा. उतने टाइम में I'll see what I have to do. I'll charge my phone first. That's what we're gonna do. But thank you. हम काफी देर तक 40 minutes. That's awesome. That's the longest time we've spent on a live video. Chalo. Bye. I'll do a live again. 3-4 दिन में दोबारा से करते हैं। चलो बाय बोलो, बाय बाय बोलो, बाय। लव यू, बाय 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 बाय।